I am Akshara, a proud student of Cambridge English Academy. First of all, a very big thank you to all of you to giving me this opportunity for delivering the speech in front of you all and expressing my thoughts of a Indian girl in front of you all. So thank you very much. And before I begin, I want to let you imagine that imagine a girl who is touching her parents' feet in the morning and cracking the corporate deal by evening. So, who can cook with love, argue with logic, and watches dream with fire? So, welcome to the world of a girl in 2025, in tradition in one hand and the career in other. So let's dive into our topic that a girl who always protected by their parents. Being a girl is not just a role, it's a adventurous life filled with the expressions, emotions, duties, responsibilities, and restrictions too. Because being a girl, always we are restricted by our parents, our society, our friends, or even our own self also, because whenever we wear something new or something crop, our parents or even the society are always stopped us because we are wearing it. They think that it's not good for us, but they think that it's not safe for us, and it's because of the society. Why are they not think about the other side, that it's not good for the girls? The reason behind it's the boys or the men's. Don't take it seriously, but it's the reason. The rape reason is it's not the girls dresses, because it's always done by the men. It's not depend on the clothes. Always whenever a rape happens, they always say that it's just because of her short clothes, even her makeup, her attitude. And some of them people are not looking their clothes. So I want to tell you that a girl is living with a lot of responsibilities, and she lives with the strength and silence too, duties and responsibility, and tradition and modern life too. So the deepest side of the society is whenever we look at to the society, looking towards the society, our society has a different dictionary or a rule book, and the rule book is especially for the girls. They always say that if a girl speaks for herself, they say that she is too loud, she is too aggressive. But if she doesn't comfort with everyone, doesn't speak with everyone, they say that, oh, she's too boring, she doesn't speak with everyone. And if she comes home early, they say, oh, she is too innocent. And if she comes home late, they say, oh, the girl is spoiled. So whatever you do, basically they always have a dictionary, a rule book, or even a comment ready. So we always have to ignore them. It's better for us, because whenever we listen to them, it's up to her, up to the society. The society always judge. If we are good in ourselves, they will also judge. So no matter, we have to run towards our career. Our mother walks so we could run, and now we are running towards our career. We also watch the a lot of girls who are becoming the politicians, who are educated well, who are developed our society and even the India also. So we just have opportunity, we just want an opportunity. We doesn't want any permission. We want opportunity to grow. We doesn't want any sympathy. We want chance to grow on a higher page, and we want equality in the society, because as we all see, the equality is not come for us. And every girl wants that the equality between the girls and the boys, because boys are always has freedom more than girls, as we all know. And I just want to say that if you are doing well in your life, so just ignore to the all the society or the men, because we are here not to fit in, we are here to stand out for ourselves. So at the end, I just want to conclude my speech with the line that you have to run towards your career, sometimes in heels, sometimes in sneakers, sometimes barefoot too, but don't forget to wear a confidence, because it's very important. Thank you so much for being a patientful audience.